आज मैं आपके साथ कुछ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। वन ऑफ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स रोहन जोशी, उसका स्टैंड अप स्पेशल आया Amazon प्राइम पे जिसका नाम है वेक एंड बेक। बहुत बढ़िया स्पेशल है, उसी का क्लिप आज मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। लेकिन इस स्पेशल के बारे में मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। करीबन 1 साल तक मुझे क्लिनिकल डिप्रेशन हुआ था और मैं घर से निकलने की कोशिश कर रहा था पर हो नहीं पा रहा था मुझसे। एंड आई थिंक मैंने बहुत टाइम तक काम बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया क्योंकि मेरे अंदर एक डर सा पैदा हो गया था कि मैं खुद पे कुछ कर सकूंगा या नहीं। क्योंकि पिछले 10 साल में मैंने रोहन आशीष खंबा के साथ इतना काम किया कि खुद पे दोबारा चालू करना इट जस्ट फेल्ट सो स्कैरी एंड आई डिडंट नो। मुझे बहुत इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम टाइप हुई थी जब सब इतना सक्सेस आ गया लाइफ में कि आई फेल्ट लाइक आई डोंट नो इफ दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ मी, इफ आई हैव एनी कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ माई ओन। इसलिए बॉम्बे छोड़ के मैं बैंगलोर चला गया था कुछ महीनों के लिए, बिकॉज इन माई माइंड आई वाज लाइक मैं शायद अभी मीडिया इंडस्ट्री में कुछ करने लायक नहीं हूँ। रोहन का स्पेशल शूट हो रहा था, उस दिन मैं बॉम्बे आया स्पेशल देखने, और वो स्पेशल देखने के बाद मैंने रियलाइज किया कि इवन इन आवर टफेस्ट 1 year आई सॉ माई फ्रेंड रोहन, ही grinded it out, he didn't get bogged down by any of social media pressure। वो रोज जाके स्टैंड अप किया उसने and he made this amazing special। और वो देखने के बाद I felt extremely inspired। मुझे लगा कि यार that maybe it's time for me also to take the leap and start doing things on my own। His special Wake and Bake Amazon Prime पे रिलीज हो चुकी है, जाके देखिए। And I just wanted to do this for Rohan। I hope you guys enjoy the special as well। See you।
Now I'm 36 years old. Sometimes I'll see young people like Eva doing things. And I'll be like, holy shit, I wish I could still do that. But then I'll remember that I am 36 years old. Which means, fuck you, Eva, I have money now, so I can do that. That is all your 30s are, by the way, in case anybody's wondering. It is just your 20s, but with more comfort. Because you actually have financial stability. Like, I'll give you an example of myself. A couple of months ago, I was at the store, and I was trying to choose, should I buy the PlayStation 4 or the Xbox One? PS4 or Xbox One? PS or Xbox? And suddenly this voice in my head goes, Rohan, or? You're 36 years old. And I was like, yeah, fuck, holy shit, I'm 36 years old. So you know what, Eva? With full swag, I went and bought medical insurance. But there's some stuff that I used to think I loved doing when I was young and in my 20s. I thought I loved doing it. But I realize now that I was only romanticizing my poverty. One of those things that I thought I loved doing, but will never do again given a choice. Driving road trip from Bombay to Goa. Fuck you. तुम लोग जाओ. Uncle plane में आएंगे. Thank you. नहीं होगा मेरी गांड से, सॉरी, नहीं होगा। And it's really difficult because the problem is, right, I feel like in every friends group there's that one fucking friend who wants to drive everywhere. Like just wants to drive everywhere for no reason, can turn anything into driving. You can just go up to him and be like, bro मैं सब्जी लेके आ रहा हूँ, bro सब्जी छोड़ मनाली चलते। नहीं। Also road trips are damn fucking overrated. In India especially, क्योंकि पहले तो रोड ट्रिप के लिए रोड होना चाहिए। Second of all, every road trip has the same graph. If it's a 12-hour road trip, the first 2 hours are wow, what beautiful scenery. The next 10 hours, by mistake, you light one cigarette and it's like, oh shit, निकलने के पहले हगना चाहिए था। Bro, किधर है मनाली? कितना प्यार करता है तू तेरे गाड़ी से? I just can't do it. The drive from Bombay to Goa takes 12 hours. The flight from Bombay to Goa takes 45 minutes. This is not a contest. Like at all. Come on, 45 minutes, 12 hours. Name one thing which if you could finish in 45 minutes, you would do for 12 hours. Now I know. There are young people in this room. Which means there's definitely at least one smart ass dying to shout, sex! Sex I'll do for 12 hours. I can hear you thinking. But buddies, I am 36 years old. 12-hour sex sessions are not aspirational, they are science fiction. Like at my age, you hear a song come on that says, I want to make love to you all night long. You're like, chal jhoothe. Young people in this room, you will not understand. तुम लोगों को नहीं समझ में आएगा, but you don't understand how weird it is to be at an age where you relate to the questions in the Ask the Sexpert column. तुम लोग नहीं समझोगे, and it's damn awkward because the only time the Sexpert column ever comes up is when somebody wants to laugh at it. So your friends are reading out the question like, and I'm like, answer क्या? Having a kid in 2019 is fucking mad expensive. Like, I have a nephew and I see how hard my sister and her husband work to make sure that there is always enough money to give him the best of opportunities, to send him to the best school possible. And I know for a fact that he goes to the best school possible because every single morning when he wakes up, he does something really weird. He goes to it willingly. As someone who was raised in the Indian education system, do you know how weird it is to see a child wake up at 6 in the morning and be like, yes, school! It makes no sense to me. But then again, my nephew goes to an IB school, right? Yeah, it's a really good school. It's an IB school. Do you guys know what an IB school is? Right? For those of you who don't know, IB is short for Bada Hokar India mein nahi rahega. And he goes to an IB school. I went to an SSC school. Again, why? Like, IB and SSC couldn't be two worlds more different than that, alright? Like, it's not that SSC is shit in comparison to my nephew's education. SSC was shit in comparison to the choices even I had back then. Because when I was growing up, there was ICSE, CBSE, SSC. Indian Certificate of Secondary Education, Central Board of Secondary Education, Secondary School Certificate. उन तीनों में से सिर्फ मेरे एजुकेशन में एजुकेशन वर्ड नहीं था. Like, SSC is is there anybody here who went to an SSC school? Raise your right hand. Also, if you went to an SSC school, this is your right hand. जो हंस रहा है ना वो ICSE CBSE वाले हैं. SSC वाले बोल रहे हाँ तो कंफर्म करना चाहिए ना. Like, SSC is the worst fucking state board on the planet. Like, I'm actually glad that SSC didn't teach me anything that I actually need in life. I'm glad. Like, if SSC taught skydiving, amazing things would happen. The final exam would be a thing of beauty. Everybody would get on the plane, ICSE kid, CBSE kid, SSC kid, right? Plane goes to 15,000 feet. ICSE kid is chilling in business class. CBSE kid is in economy class. SSC kid is crying in cargo. Go up high enough. Door opens. Time for the exam. ICSE kid gets a parachute. CBSE kid gets a parachute. SSC kid gets a textbook about parachutes. And then they kick us all out of the plane. ICSE, CBSE के बच्चे मस्त पैराशूट खोल रहे, GoPro वीडियो ले रहे. SSC का बच्चा बस गिर रहा है. Parachute is an object that slows the motion of a body.